Stratos is one of the best infrastructure projects in 2021. In the last quarter of the Bullrun, this project's set to launch into the stratosphere. You know I'm all about the dad jokes for the win, but my stellar space puns have nothing on the real fundamentals and moon potential for this low-cap gem. Stratos' fundamentals are a combination of Filecoin, Theta, and Livepeer. It's a video uploading and data storage titan that could send other projects packing. Stratos offers rocket-fueled uploading speeds that I've personally used, and its applications for cloud storage with Web 3.0 are ambitious. In this video, we head out to the edge of space and check out this low-cap gem that must be a meteor, because it's rocking our world. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the Bit Squad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In this sponsored video, we talk about Stratos and what it can do for video uploading, cloud storage. Stratos is the next generation of decentralized data mesh that provides reliable storage, database, and computation that is fully decentralized. Stratos stands out for its fast storing and querying services and its ability to speed up data query and video playback. The goal of Stratos is to be the go-to decentralized cloud of the blockchain industry, and it aims to get rid of centralized cloud platforms altogether. Like major online companies, Stratos uses a proof of traffic incentive model where traffic volume is a source of value rather than storage. YouTube, Google, and Netflix all rely on traffic advertising to earn revenue over storage. Using proof of traffic is a more sustainable method of incentive because it leads to economic incentives that bring more value to each node and helps encourage participating miners to maintain effectiveness of the network. Money talks, and miners will go where the traffic is, because that's what's ultimately generating the funds. Fees for the user and rewards for the provider of the network are all based on traffic on the blockchain. Because of this, miners will have to focus not only on storage and workload, but they will also need to focus on overall performance and increase the network bandwidth of each machine to ensure the health of the Stratos network. What this means is miners are fairly compensated, and they're financially motivated to increase the efficiency of the network. Sounds like a win-win. Jeff Bezos may have gotten close to the stratosphere with Blue Origin, but Stratos wants to soar past Amazon Web Services for blockchain and Web3. They aim to be the next generation of data mesh for scaling dApps. We all saw the impressive Filecoin run up in March of this year, rocketing from $24 to $130 in a matter of weeks. This massive pump was mostly due to Filecoin's data storage capabilities and its low market cap. Think about this. Filecoin can only supply one portion of what Stratos offers, which is storage. The current market cap of Stratos is 19 million, which is 300 times smaller than Filecoin and 20 times smaller than Livepeer. There's no doubt that this gives Stratos a competitive edge. You know what gives this channel a competitive edge? You. When you smash up that like button. It's the absolute best way to help out the channel, and it gets more low-cap gems out to more people. Comment down below, are you new to Stratos, or do you already hold STOS? Video and audio content can be streamed on the Stratos chain in a fully decentralized manner. This can be done because Stratos is a fully decentralized content delivery network provider. Don't believe me? Check out this demo of the insane download speed with Stratos. The last year just absolutely exploded, went way beyond my wildest expectations, and obviously right now we're the #1 cryptocurrency channel. People out there, they've got potential to do using, but the thing is, I never understood what I was buying, and I was using it for its use case. But one day I went and checked my account, and I just had like a few dollars, it seemed like, in there, like maybe 50 bucks. Represents decentralization. It's the ability for us all to work together without the need to be oppressed. And voila, I was invited to try out their decentralized storage testnet firsthand by uploading 86 megabytes of one of my videos. It took just 9 seconds to upload in the testnet environment. Usually, It takes a lot longer than that to upload a video on my YouTube channel. With Stratos, video can be directly played from the wallet. How easy and fast is that? As I mentioned, on top of content delivery, Stratos is building a decentralized database with computation networks to revolutionize the cloud infrastructure for blockchain and Web3. Stratos envisions providing a trustless, decentralized infrastructure service solution that allows blockchain developers to get rid of centralized cloud services and the monopolies that control them. So what's the problem right now with data storage on blockchain and Web 3.0? Well, traditional blockchains aren't well suited to store other kinds of data, and especially to interconnect different data types with each other. Because of that, many people don't consider blockchain an efficient decentralized database for many complicated use cases. Right now, data storage on blockchain has simple data schema, inefficient operation, expensive storage, and a lack of fully decentralized infrastructure to support dApps. Stratos is bringing in a new era of decentralization. More secure, low cost, and highly available decentralized infrastructure services for the entire blockchain community. From dApp developers to NFT owners, miners to blockchain developers, everyone can benefit from the safe, reliable, and efficient decentralized infrastructure, high-performing storage, database, and computation networks. The infrastructure of Stratos decentralized services is not only for the blockchain industry, but also for better serving more traditional centralized industries. Stratos will eventually commercialize the provision of decentralized services, providing decentralized systems with more efficient infrastructure and services for business entities of all kinds. Stratos began its seed and strategic round in April and successfully launched its IDO on PokeStarter in June of this year. The STOS token has been holding its price action at a consistent level, and it has been performing well since its launch. For now, this low-cap gem is fairly unknown. It can be found on Uniswap, BKEX, and Who. The project has some big names behind it as well. Stratos is backed by some of the leading venture capitalists like Finbushy Capital, the first and most active blockchain VC in Asia. Vitalik Buterin is an advisor. It also has investments from Fundamental Labs, an early investor and supporter of Coinbase, Binance, Filecoin, Polkadot. It's also received major investments from Kinetic Capital, Spark Digital, and others. Stratos is a Canadian tech-driven team with an average of 10 or more years of experience in IT and enterprise-level architecture building. They come from Amazon, Huawei, Microsoft, and CN Railway. Their founder and CEO, Ben Zhu, is a serial tech entrepreneur who founded the cloud department for MindGeek. So what's next for Stratos? Well, they've already established many partnerships with project types ranging from NFTs, GameFi, to DeFi to bring decentralized storage and content delivery solutions. Stratos' decentralized storage offers a perfect storage solution for NFTs, GameFi, and the metaverse. They've recently announced a strategic partnership with Firework Games. Stratos decentralized storage will be live in October, and it will become open to prospective miners, developers, and enthusiasts to test the network and store data. The testnet will be launched in late October, when miners will start to onboard and join the network. There are 2 major centralized exchange listings coming up, including one top 10 exchange in October. Stratos' team is in product and technology adoption discussions with several traditional companies, including a $100 million in revenue video streaming company, and a 10 million user music and podcast platform, and an entertainment live stream company. The roadmap includes the Stratos decentralized storage mainnet in Q1 of 2022 and the Stratos database testnet in Q2 of 2022. Designed with a commercial architecture standard in mind and built by a top-notch tech-driven team backed by top VCs and industry partners, Stratos is on track to become the ultimate decentralized scaling solution in the blockchain space. Ultimately, this will provide fertile ground for the next generation of applications like decentralized YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify. Well, there you have it. An out-of-this-world low-cap gem, solid fundamentals, and real use cases. All the things needed to launch a project, and its price action into the stratosphere. That's all I got. Be blessed. Big boy out.